You know, it's that time of the year again where everybody's going to get their income tax checks. So I just wanted to talk about really quick one thing that you should do, or one thing that you need to do to get off of the hamster wheel. It's this thing that I see from people, people on Facebook, friends, family members. When it comes to income tax season, it's always, when I get my income tax check, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna get this popping, get that popping. And I'm here to tell you that for the majority of people, their life and that income tax check never changes anything for them, never changes their circumstance. They continue on the same hamster wheel over and over and over. And the reason for that is because people stay on the side of consumption and never cross over to production. And we know that people are so excited over income tax checks because for most people, it's the biggest deposit that they ever get or that they've ever seen every year. And instead of learning how to continuously get deposits that large into their bank account, people actually mismanage or unfortunately don't know how to duplicate that type of money. Now, I fully understand if you're being an adult and you have to pay off credit cards, or you have to pay certain bills. We all have that, and that's definitely understandable. But you have the majority of people that just trick the money off and they never see that much money ever again, or it just makes someone else better and richer, and it doesn't make them better. During the pandemic, when all that PPP money and unemployment money went out, this man named Bernard Arnault, he owns like Louis Vuitton, LVMH, Hennessy, I believe. He owns a bunch of different brands, and he became the world's richest man because their money went out of their own pocket and right into his. And he was able to duplicate that so many times because, he has things to sell to people that, he became the world's richest man at the time. Oh, I think he still is the world's richest man. But anyway, this is how you can move from the side of consumption to the side of production and duplicate whatever your income tax refund is, which is really just your money given back to you. But you can duplicate that and make it into income, several ways. Like, I see people that I know personally, right, that will be in the comment section of like the Shade Room, Baller Alert, or, their favorite YouTube channel, writing long paragraphs talking about their favorite celebrity or celebrity that they don't like that may have done something that went viral today. And at the end of the day, right, in the comment section and talking trash about people, you're not going to make any money. Being in the comment section of Baller Alert is not going to make you rich. The person you're talking about is rich and will never have problems like you, but you help to fuel their careers to make them rich. Now, here's what you can do. Instead of putting your commentary into things like Baller Alert or Shade Room or YouTube comment sections, create a YouTube channel and give your commentary there. You don't even have to show your face. You can literally give your commentary over there. I know people that I see posting their Cash App on their birthday, or they got to do a GoFundMe because somebody passed away. But yet you're in the comment section giving commentary about someone else's life, yet you don't have your life together. And the other thing is, like, even if you want to, get into real estate, use that income tax check to go and get your real estate license. Use it to pay for that class or whatever you need to, that certification that you need to, get a raise at your job. Use it to, start that business, a cleaning business, a lawn care business. I talk about a bunch of different businesses on this channel. One thing about this channel when I started it, or the reason I started it, was to, help people, enlighten people, the 1% that actually want to learn something or want to, use YouTube to learn something instead of being on the side of consumption. I've never done the gossip thing on this channel because, I'm not interested in gossip. Now you can, get on YouTube and do a gossip thing and make a lot of money. But here, I always try to give some sort of value. And I think that people need to be reminded that, if you do have an excess of income, Go out there and use it to make yourself better, make yourself look better on the resume, or come up with a skill or start some sort of business. So that way, let's just say you get a $7,000 income tax check. You could take that to start a business or invest in yourself so that you can get that extra $7,000 every month instead of just blowing it away. Like during the pandemic, the state of Maryland had a shortage of blue crabs. Like, this is a blue crab state. We had blue crabs because people were taking the money and instead of, saving it for a rainy day or putting it into a new skill, people were buying up all of the crabs. Okay. They were going to liquor stores, buying up all of the liquor, consuming. So, during the pandemic, mostly business owners got rich. For the most part, mostly all of that money transferred to business owners. So you have the same people that were on the hamster wheel still on the hamster wheel. And here we are again, people are about to get money in their hands and nothing is going to change. So if you're somebody that's been on that hamster wheel, now is your time to change. And this is your reminder.